Wait, where am I? Wait, hold on a second. Ilya! Colin! Ibona! Anyone! Gotta get out of here! Just gotta break these damn chains. Who's there? You gonna say something? Why is it so big? I found you. Ooh, aren't you scary? Are you sure you want to be doing that, snarling and glaring at me? Well, that's too bad. I was planning on helping you, if you were nice. That's much better. You humans are obedient to a fault, aren't you? Oops, but you aren't a human anymore. You're a beast. There, you be a good boy and calm down. No need to bite. Now hold still. Oh, wait, what? You look kind of surprised. So, I bet you're wondering, where exactly are we? Well, I'll make you a deal. If you can get over here, maybe I'll tell you. You've got to be kidding me. Alright, well, oh, sweet. Well, I'm a wolf now. Sheesh. Huh? Hey, where'd you go? I guess you're not completely stupid after all. Okay, listen, I like you, so I think I'll get you out of here. Okay. But in exchange for my help, you have to do exactly as I say. If you need anything, just give me a sign. So, are we clear? Good. Now come on, get moving. Okay. Seriously, where are we? What? Oh, well. Want to see something interesting? You're a beast, remember? Hone your senses and poke around. Wait, hone my senses? What do you mean? With you, I suppose, being a human, you have 5 senses. Hone them together and unlock your 6th sense. Hey, stop yawning! Whoa. Can't run any farther. That's far enough, right? I'll be safe here, I think. What was that noise? Don't let anything come near me! Sheesh. That was a soldier spirit, by the way. Maybe it's someone from the other world. There are lots of other spirits roaming about, so make sure you hone your senses. They might know things. Well, that took care of it. Alright. We go this way? Hey! This way. Over here. I'll be waiting for you, but you'll have to help yourself for a change. What do you mean? What? Oh. Okay. Such a weird place. Oh. Another spirit. Please, I am but a lonely soldier. Please, someone save me from these evil creatures! Ah! Sheesh. Did the detour tire you out, little wolf? By the way, are you using your senses? It looks like the spirits in here, they're all soldiers. Where in the world could we be? Well, if you go to the top, you might figure out where we are. Okay, so flash forward, basically, I guess I'm in Hyrule Castle. But I gotta meet someone, so... Whoa. Who's shoddy over there? Midna? That's your name? You remembered my name. What an honor for me. So, this is the one from whom you're searching. He's not exactly what I had in mind, but I guess he'll do. You were imprisoned. I am sorry. Poor thing. He has no idea where this is and what's happened. Don't you think you should explain to him what you've managed to do? You owe him that much. Twilight Princess. Listen carefully. This was once the land where the power of the gods was said to slumber. This was once the kingdom of Hyrule. But that blessed kingdom has been transformed by the king that rules the Twilight. It has been turned into a world of shadows ruled by creatures who shun the light.
Yeah, for Princess Zelda, we're gonna save you, hun!
Let's do this!
Guys, I have a feeling we're gonna die right here.
Shut it, Gregory!
Oh,
Stand ready, guards. Attack! Damn it.
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but they're too strong. It is time for you to choose. Surrender or die. Oh yes, a question for all the land and people of Hyrule. Your Highness, don't do it! You'll be making a mistake! Life or death.
Well, that was tragic. Alright, we gotta go. Sheesh. I feel bad for the princess. I hope she can take.
What the heck? I'm talking!
Not that way. The guard's coming. Boy, he's prompt. Up there. So this is the kingdom of Hyrule, huh? I need a bath. Well, Do you understand where we are now? I guess a promise is a promise. I'll let you go back to where you first tumbled into Twilight. But, are you sure you really should be going back? Are you sure you ain't forgetting anything important?
Don't do that again. Holy crap.
Do you want to save them? In that case, little Midna would be happy to help you. But, well, you have to be my servant. And like a servant, you have to do exactly as I say. Why don't you go back, take a little time, and give it some thought? This is gonna be fun.